friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to set pin password and how to remove pin password. So before I start the video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. So without wasting time, let us start the video. So first of all, you have to go to the setting and you have to press the setting. Then you have to come down. You can see here lock screen, so you have to press this one. So you can see here screen lock tag, so you have to press this one. So you have to press pin. So you have to give a digit to confirm your password. So you have to press continue. So again you have to press it. So you have to press OK. So now you have to press this one, done. You have to press this one. So the password has been set. I will show you. So the password has been set. So let's enter the password. So let's OK. So it is done now. So how to remove this password? So you have to go to the setting, then you have to come down, then you have to press lock screen. So you have to press this one again, then you have to press what you give that number. You have to press this one. So I give this number, so you have to click it on next. So you have to press this one. You can see here you have to press none. So the password has been removed. I will show you. See, no more password. So it is done now. So friends, before you leave this video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.